Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Discord.js series. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a suggestion system. There will be 3 commands. One is suggest, the other two is accept the suggestion with a description, and also a deny the suggestion with a description. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, for this, we're just going to create a new folder just because it'll make it easier to locate the files. Of course, you can put the files in your own folders. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna call this file suggestion. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a file suggest.js, and then accept suggestion.js, and then deny suggestion.js. So we will not be using any database for this. So I'm just going to start with the suggest command. We just suggest, okay. And then in here we're gonna send an embed. So const embed equals new message embed. Set author. And then we're just gonna set message to author tag, message to author display avatar URL dynamic and true. Okay, and then we're gonna set description to suggestion. Okay, so we're gonna define a variable. We just say suggestion query equals args dot join. Okay, so if there is no suggestion, then return message dot reply, please specify a suggestion. Okay, and then in here we can just put in suggestion query. Okay, and then we're gonna set color to random. Okay, what we can do, we can also add timestamp if you want. Set timestamp. Let me remove the semicolon. Set timestamp. What do we have? I think that should be it. Okay, and then we're just gonna do add field. Okay, and then we're just gonna do status, and then comma, and then we're just gonna do pending. So we just can tell them that it's not being accepted yet, or it's not being rejected yet. So this is the thing, and then you're just going to message the channel.send submitted suggestion, and then we're gonna send it to a channel. So let me just go to my channel, and then I copy this. Okay, and then we just do message.build.channels.cache.get this, and then .send embed. Okay, so let's just test this out. Save this file. Okay, and then let's try to suggest something. Suggest make server public. So as you can see, a submitted suggestion, and if I go here, this is suggestion make server public, and status is pending. So yeah, okay, and then now we can do the accept suggestion and deny suggestion. So how we're gonna do this is we're just gonna fetch the message. If there is no message, we're just gonna they will return an error. Then we can just tell the user that the suggestion doesn't exist. So in this, we're just gonna call accept suggestion. Okay, and then in here we're gonna check for manage messages permission. You can do any permission you want. I'm just gonna do manage messages permission dot permissions dot has, and then manage messages, return message dot reply, or you can just return, like, I just don't care if the person doesn't have manage messages permission. Okay, And then in here, we'll do a try catch function. Try catch. We're gonna use try catch error. Okay, so first we're gonna try to get the ID. So const message ID equals args 0, and then const accept query equals args dot slice 1 dot join. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, so we're gonna access the message embed by doing message dot channel. We're gonna use await and stake. So const suggested embed equals await message dot channel dot await. We need to define channel first because we have a different channel for it. So we're just gonna use the same ID. This ID is for this channel over here. So we do const suggestion channel equals message dot build channels dot catch dot get, and then the ID. And then in here we can start to do suggestion channel dot messages messages interesting dot fetch message on channel messages dot fetch, and then we can put the message ID in here. Okay, I'm just gonna console log error. I think there will be an error, but yeah, hopefully there isn't. But so once we fetch this, and then we're gonna access the embed by suggestion embed. Okay, now we'll create a new embed. So const accept embed equals new message embed. Okay, and then we're just gonna do the same format, which is set author, and then suggested embed dot why is it isn't, let me see, suggestion channel no catch messages to fetch. I think I did that. Wait, give me a sec, let me just check if it's correct. Message channel no messages to fetch, it should be correct. I don't know why it isn't in IntelliSense. Maybe I made a typo somewhere. Message channels to catch. Okay, now let's just leave it for now. As you can see here, we can do message to embed the author. So message, we're just gonna do const data equals suggested embed, and then dot 0 dot embeds, and then 0. Okay, and then we can access author that way. So set author will be data dot author, data dot author dot name, comma, and then data dot author dot icon URL. Okay, yeah, and then we're gonna do set description. Let me see what is in here. Suggestion, we're just gonna take the suggestion as well, data dot description. Okay, and then what we have here again, dot set color, data dot, let me see what is that called, let me just check for a second. Color, data dot color, and then on dot set, what do we have some more? Add field, we're gonna add field, and then you're gonna do status accepted, and then we're gonna pass in the description over here. So accept query in here, so in the second field. Okay, and then we will do so just embed dot edit, and then accept embed. Accept embed. Okay, so after this, I want to send a message to the author that made that suggestion, that his suggestion has already been accepted. So we can do that by doing client.users.catch.find. Okay, we'll find by the user tag. So and then u dot tag is equals to what's that? Let me just check. I forgot already. Author.name. So data dot author dot name. Hopefully I think it's that, but yeah. Let me just console log suggested embed to. Okay, let me just save this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do const user equals await message channel user dot send your suggestion has been accepted by a moderator or something. You can make this admin permissions, so only you can access it, or you can check it by ID. So we're just gonna do this. We need to test it. I think there will be an error, so we'll fix it from there. So the command is y accept suggestion. Okay, and then we're gonna accept a suggestion from here. Just copy the ID and then paste it in, and then the query will be good idea. Okay, let me see the error. Data.author.icon URL is not a function. Oh, it's not a function because okay, my bad. Let me see if it edits the message. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, this shouldn't. It's a property. I don't know why I did that, but let's just try this again. I think it should work, but no dot. Okay, and then let's just try accepting this again. Okay, and then let's just run this. Accept suggestion. Cannot read ID of null. Okay, this is anti-curse. It doesn't relate. So as you can see here, status accepted, and then it changes it to good idea. Okay. Of course, you can manipulate the code however you want, and then you can see that the bot DMs me and saying that your suggestion has been accepted by a moderator. Okay, so this is actually working perfectly right now. So I'm just gonna do it. So if there's no message ID, you're just gonna say return message or reply. Please specify a message ID, and then if there is no query, accept query. Return message or reply. Please specify a reason. Okay, so in console, in a catch error, we're just gonna do message.channel.send that suggestion does not exist, because if it can't fetch the message, that means that it doesn't exist. So we're just gonna do this. Okay, so you're gonna save this. Okay, we're just gonna console log error for development purposes. Console log error. Okay, so actually we can just copy the same thing and just paste it in deny suggestion, but we're gonna change a little bit. So instead of accept suggestion, we're gonna do deny suggestion. Okay, message ID, and then accept query. We can change this to deny query. We can do this by accept query. Okay, we can just change this to deny query. Click on here, and then you can change everything. It doesn't matter. I just want to make the variables sounds more sense, as you can see. So instead of status accepted, we can do status denied. Okay, you can change this however you want, and then your suggestion has been denied by a moderator. Oh, one thing, we can actually make colors so that it looks a little bit better. So when it sends, I can make it orange, and then if it's accepted, we're gonna edit it to green, and then if it's denied, we can edit it to red, so it looks a little better, I think. Of course you can do it however you want, but I'm just gonna do this for tutorial purposes. Okay, I'm just gonna save all the files, and then let's just run this again. Hopefully it works. Okay, I'll do this all again. I'm just gonna make a new suggestion, and then yeah, suggest subscribe to recon Alex. Okay, submit the suggestion. As you can see here, it should be orange. Okay, status is pending. Okay, so if I give a random ID like y accept suggestion, random stuff, and you'll say okay, accept suggestion, and then I give a random reason, it should say the suggestion doesn't exist or not. Yes, okay, I accidentally did that. Put this and then random reason. Let me just say blah 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 blah, and then it should say that suggestion doesn't exist because this ID does not exist in this channel. So so if we get the correct ID, okay, and we actually do it correctly, accept suggestion, and then we put the correct reason, which is for sure Recon Alex is a good channel. Okay, and then actually we can send a message saying that it's accepted, but if you see here, the color have changed to green, and then the suggestion is over here, and then the status is accepted. For sure Recon Alex is a good channel, which is specified over here. Okay, and then as you can see here, the bot DMs the person who gives the suggestion. Okay, and then if we deny it, okay, we can actually deny a suggestion that is already accepted. So let's say another moderator doesn't want this suggestion, so you can just do deny suggestion, and then we're just gonna use the same ID, and then you need to like and share. Okay, let's give a random reason. Okay, deny suggestion, and then as you can see here, it edits the embed to red, and then it gives the reason over here. Okay, it's actually perfect right now. So if you want to get notified after you make this command, the accept command, because as you can see here, there's no notification that tells you that it has already been edited, simply just do message or channel send accepted suggestion, and then in here you can just do message.channel.send denied suggestion. Okay, let me just open my other account, and then I can maybe show you a better example. Okay, let me just save this. Okay, it's updating. Let me see if the video is too long. Okay, 17 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't go over 20 minutes. Okay, so let's just wait for the bot. My Discord to install. Okay, I'll cut. Checking for updates. Just don't mind this. Let me just waste some time over here. Look at the classes, codes. Okay, just restart the bot. Oh my god. Okay, no dot, and then let's just wait for the bot to load up also, and then I can show you a good example. Is my account actually in my server? Okay, it's in my server. Okay, perfect. So it's taking quite some time to start this up. Okay, it shows that I'm online now, but it's still starting. Okay, finally. So now I'll be showing you guys the full testing of this command. Let me just scroll down. Okay, and then let's say I want to suggest something. I'm just gonna do suggest please make me a mod. Okay, and submit a suggestion. So if I go to my account and I can see over here, recon test has said suggestion please make me a mod, and that status is pending. Okay, perfect. So now if I try to run accept suggestion, okay, never mind, that wouldn't work either. So let me just copy the ID. Okay, as you can see here, this is the bad suggestion, so you're just gonna deny the suggestion by doing deny suggestion, and then we're gonna put the reason. So we're gonna say it's a bad suggestion, okay, and denied suggestion. So if I go back to my alt account and I click on here, you can see here your suggestion has been denied by a moderator. So if I go back to my channel and then go to suggestion channel, you should see that the color have changed and it says it's a bad suggestion. So let's just try to suggest another thing. Let me just say suggest make more channels in the server. Okay, and then as you can see here, the color is orange and status is pending. So if I deny it, if I accept it, and then I can just do y accept suggestion. It's a good suggestion. Okay, and then if I accept the suggestion, the bot will DM the suggester, and then it will say your suggestion has been accepted by a moderator, and then as you can see here, the color changes to green and make more channels in the server, and the moderator says it's a good suggestion. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. It has been quite a long video, I think. Yeah, it's past 20 minutes. So if you need help or you need support or you just want to give a suggestion on the next video, feel free to join the support server. Links will be in the description. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like. Please subscribe, it really helps the channel out. Other than that, have a nice day. See you again on the next video. Bye.